Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. Today I'm doing my lunch meal prep for the week. I'm gonna do chicken salad using a rotisserie chicken, and I'm gonna use these as, I'm gonna do lettuce cups with these. So super simple lunch. I love a good no cook meal prep, super easy. If you're looking for some meal prep inspiration, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do all of my meal prepping on Saturday mornings for my lunches for every single week, so make sure you subscribe and check out all of my meal preps. I'm gonna get this chicken salad going. So everything for the chicken salad, super simple. I have my rotisserie chicken that I have just shredded, taken off of the chicken. So good and easy. Cranberries, and the cranberries give it such an awesome flavor. Walnuts, celery, mayonnaise, and my lettuce cups. So I'm going to take the chicken and just kind of cut it into some smaller pieces. And it just cuts so easily, like rotisserie chicken. It's so nice and moist and really great flavor also. You could definitely use like just regular cooked chicken as well as rotisserie chicken. Either is really great and easy. So now I'm going to cut 2 stalks of celery into some small pieces. You can cut it pretty much whatever size you like, but I like to dice mine pretty small. I think celery has such a powerful flavor, so if I cut it in smaller pieces, it's definitely like a little less powerful. So I'm just going to dice up 2 stalks of celery. And I have half a cup of walnuts, and I am going to kind of chop these up a little bit, not a whole bunch, just a little bit with my knife. You can put these in like a food processor also, but like I said, I just want them just to be a little bit smaller and not all the way totally crumbled. I have half a cup of dried cranberries and have 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I am just going to mix all of this together. I'm going to portion everything into my meal prep containers that I use for all of my meal prepping. So I'm going to add in the chicken salad, and then I'm going to add in some leaves of lettuce. And I love this butter lettuce that I got, but you can use any kind of lettuce you'd like. Chicken salad is so great. It's really good on croissants, crackers, salads. So definitely very yummy and very versatile, adding it onto different things. But for this lunch, keeping it nice and light with the lettuce cups. I definitely don't like to overeat at lunchtime. It makes me really tired. So a lot of my lunch meal preps are nice and light so that I can still have a productive rest of my day and I'm not super full from my lunch. When I get really full, I am just not productive the whole rest of the day. So if you're looking for some more healthy meal prepping recipes or ideas, if you need some motivation to make some healthy foods to have ready for the week, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons of healthy recipes, very simple and easy to make as well. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And like I said, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Hope that you have a really wonderful rest of your day.